Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to move your apps and programs to another drive on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. You can transfer any apps and program using this method, but before we begin, I recommend creating a restore point, just in case something goes wrong while we move our files and folders. So to create a restore point, open the Start menu and search for Create Restore Point. Open the Create Restore window, and in the System Protection window, select the drive where your apps or files are currently installed, usually the C drive. Select the drive, then click Create, give your restore point a name, and then click Create button. System will start creating restore points, so it will take a few minutes. After it's done, close the restore window. Now that your restore point is ready, you'll be able to safely revert any changes if something doesn't go as planned during the process. To move your apps or programs to another drive, first open the drive where they're currently stored. Most of your installed programs are usually located in the C drive, so that's where we'll start. Select the program you want to move. Go into Program Root folder, then copy the folder path from File Explorer using Ctrl+C to copy the folder path. Then, after copying the folder, next, go to the other drive where you want to move your program. Right-click and create a new folder. You can name it whatever you like. I'll name mine Programs. Double-click to open that new folder. Next, open the Notepad application. Type Robocopy space and then paste the source folder path we copied earlier, the program folder you want to move. Make sure to add double quotes at the beginning and end of the path. Then copy the other drive folder path you want to move your apps into that drive and paste it into Notepad as well. Then type / and name the program folder here, again adding double quotes around the path. Then space, /type, sec, space, /move, space, /e. Make sure you type your source and destination drive and folder path carefully. Now copy this line and then open command window and run it as administrator. Inside command prompt, just right click on it and it will paste everything you copied and then press enter. You'll see a process start running. This is copying all your files and folders to the new location. After it's complete, next there's one more command we'll need to enter. So go back to Notepad again and type next command, mklink space. Now copy source and destination folder path, everything from the first quotation mark to the last one, and paste it here in second line. Then space, /J. When that's done, select the entire second line, right-click and choose Copy. Go back to your command prompt window, right-click to paste it in and then press Enter. If everything worked correctly, you'll see a message saying, Junction created for. And that's it. Your program have now been successfully moved to another drive without reinstalling anything. It's a super handy trick, especially if you're running low on space on your main drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical Windows tips and tricks just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.